Da 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 knock, baby. Da Nang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang. Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang. Vietnam. That's where you
This is a hot market. Every day I've been staying in different hotels, and every time I come over here, it is just packed. So trying to get through these aisles. I'm just thinking about like the consumerism. Just all these people just coming to buy all these products in here. Just like, crazily trying to buy all the shirts, and the shirts are kind of low quality, pretty basic. Yeah, it's interesting. Anyways, we're going to be starting here, and so we'll put this up on the map, and we're going to walk out into the streets and walk around and kind of show you around the riverfront here. So stay tuned. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Okay, let's go on through the market on our way out. This is kind of the riverfront side of Danang, and this seems to be kind of a target place. This is let's go this way, down this way. We'll go like this, and then out. Lots of products down here. So upstairs it's crazy crowded. Down here it's more like food supply stuff. We're gonna go walk right out into the streets. And I guess what we'll do is we'll stay on this side first. Oh, different products here. Hello. So yeah, definitely a marketplace. Okay, there's another shopping. Don't know what it is exactly. Let's keep on meandering around. One thing you're gonna see a lot of is oh, there's some alleys over there. Those alleys could be interesting as well. You'll see a lot of Korean writing everywhere. A lot of people selling sunglasses. Hello. I bought some sunglasses the other day. And the riverfront is directly in front of us. Okay. So maybe we'll go some Korean writing right here. Lots of stuff in Korean. So everything's like usually English, Korean, no Vietnamese. Oh, there's some Vietnamese down there. Okay. The riverfront is directly this way. So you can kind of see it over there. You see it's better over here. I think I'm going to just keep exploring around here. Just keep the camera going. Just give you an idea of Danang. And I think one of my observations so far is it's a lot of tourists here. A lot of cool places, drink coffee, hang out outside, which is one of the great things about Vietnam in general. Got the riverfront view over there. Oh, we got Vietnamese food. So you can see most things are written in Korean and English. Lots of hotels on this street. Let's see if I can go across this crosswalk. That's what the traffic looks like. Looks like we can get through it pretty easily here. It's going fast. Okay. So here's the riverfront. And right over there, that yellow bridge is Dragon Bridge. Fire comes out of there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 9 o'clock. I did walk over there the other day. That cruise ship is actually a restaurant with also karaoke and some other stuff. Wink is I believe that's a hotel straight ahead. And that is Vinpearl, and there's a mall over there as well. And then there's another bridge here, so maybe to walk across there. And if you turn around, you got Marriott Hotel, different hotels. So that gives you another little slice of Danang anyways. Riverfront. Okay. We're gonna meander around some more.